Hi everyone, welcome back to All Things with Tip. Make sure you guys check out my website, www.allthingswithtip.com, and make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Ring that bell below for notifications. So today I am going to do something with my hair. I have this wig on and it's not cutting it. And under here looks even worse. So I'm just getting tired. I'm in the grow out stage. My hair has gotten some length to it since I cut it down all the way. And it's growing back and it's in that in-between stage, and y'all know how that is. So today I am going to attempt to cut it in a style by myself. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Alright y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Right here, in the next couple clips, you'll see me just sectioning my hair, just getting it ready for my cut. I kind of did my measuring at like that midpoint where my eyebrow is, and then I took it all the way to the back and measured it the same way on both sides. Here you see me using my shears along with my cutting comb. This just kind of helps me like as a guide, because it's easier when I do this on other people's hair. So cutting my own hair was a little bit more difficult, but this just kind of helped me. Using the shears and the comb helped me as a guide to try to get my hair even and cut the way I need it to be cut. So go ahead and ring that bell and hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, go ahead and like it so that others can see it. Kind of helps my views. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Keep on watching. is just going around, just making sure all my parts are even. As you can see, I'm just going around both sides. I'm going to my crown, going to the other side. I'm doing that, just going up and down on both sides. And also towards the front. I kind of slanted the front so it'll be a little bit longer for my bang area. I'm just getting ready for my mold. If you see my other videos, you know I like to use Nairobi setting lotion on my hair. The other two products you saw in the beginning were just leave-in conditioner and some argan oil. I just go in and mold it down, get it as flat as I could be, and try to mold it in the style that I want it to wear. I had relaxed my hair probably like a week or two prior to me deciding to cut it, so it was already straight. I didn't need to do anything else to it. Just shampooed it after I cut it, and so I'm going to go ahead and get this molded real good, get it in the dryer, and then I'll start curling. So I'm just going in with my curling irons. Also, you know, if you've watched my videos, my hair needs a lot of oil. I don't use as much oil when my hair is relaxed and when it is natural, but I did add some cheese silk oil to my hair before I started, and then I also sprayed just a hair holding spray in my hair prior to curling it. Using two irons. That red iron was a cheat iron, and then this bluish color, turquoise color iron is just one of those FHI irons. I wanted my middle part to be I just wanted to hit a little bit of curl there, and then I wanted my curls on the side and in the back to be a little bit smaller, a little bit tighter, and that way I'll still have style, but in the front I can change it, and as it gets old, I can just kind of play with it. I can spike it, wear it kind of funky, just do some different things with it. I just kind of took this comb to just kind of lightly, gently pull those curls together. Didn't do too much combing and didn't need too much styling. And this is pretty much it. And I'm gonna go in and clean up those, clean up my back and clean up those edges, and I'll be done. Before this video ends, I just want to thank you guys again for watching and staying to the end. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this video. I will see you next time. You know what it is. Peace.